Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel. Today we're going to talk about a nice little feature in Windows, especially since Windows Vista, where it was really introduced and worked well. It was available in Windows XP, but it was kind of complicated and didn't work really well, basically. One of the things that keeps your computer running smoothly is a way to update your drivers. And basically a lot of the videos that I made, people have problems. One that comes to mind is the camera app, and people tell me, well, it doesn't work well, or it crashes, or my camera doesn't seem to work. And the first thing that comes to mind when you have such a problem with a device in a computer is the fact that you need to basically update and check for an update of these drivers. Now, I did a video explaining how to, or talking about updating drivers, but there's a quick way that you can check for drivers, and it's probably for someone that's not really tech savvy and doesn't know too much what he's doing. One of the easy ways for drivers to be updated is through the Microsoft website, and there's a pretty automatic way of updating drivers in the computer. So if you have a computer that has some kind of a problem with a device, you should check for updated drivers. And how do you do that? When you're on your start screen, go into your charms bar on the right side of the screen, either by swiping or going to the corners with your mouse. Click search, and when you click search, just click update and go into settings on that search. And here you'll have one of the features that's called update drivers, update device drivers. Click on that and it's going to bring you to the device manager. And here, if you have, for example, if the device that's not working well is your webcam, well, you can go into and check the webcam. For example, here, sound, video, and game controllers. You'll click the little arrow, and you have the information about different system information and devices you have on your computer. So try to find whatever device in that list, and once you selected that device, what you should actually do is update it by simply going, for example, if I want to search for an update for my network, wireless network card, I'll click here. I'll see the Realtek RTL wireless LAN. So double click and click on driver, and there you'll see it says update driver. Now you always have a date for the driver that's written there. Here in this case it's 21 August 2012. I'll click update driver, and I'll click search automatically for updated driver software, and this is going to search pretty much online in the Microsoft website for updated drivers. And if there is an updated driver available, you'll see the driver is going to tell you the best driver software for your device is already installed, and that's okay, or else it's actually going to update it for you. So it's an easy way to try and find drivers. Of course, when it tells you that the best driver is already there, it doesn't really mean that it's the driver that you, the latest driver. That you got to be careful. Sometimes the Microsoft or the Windows store, the Microsoft store, might not have the drivers needed, and you'll have to go to the manufacturer. Of course, the best way to find an updated driver is pretty much to go into your computer website, the manufacturer. So for example, my Toshiba, I would go to the toshiba.com website and check for my model number and check for what I can update from there But by going through the Microsoft or the online search of device manager, at least if you don't know what you're doing too much, here you cannot hurt. Just doing an update search shouldn't normally hurt your computer. So that's one of the easy ways to update drivers if you want to try it. So just find the device in that list. That's basically what you'll want to do. And once you found that device, then you can update it with the update feature. For example, if you have graphics display problem, you can go into the display adapters, click on it, click driver once again, and just update driver. Search automatically for an updated driver, and if anything's available, it's going to tell you. Here it says it's already installed and up to date. Like I said, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily up to date, but at least if you don't know how to fetch or how to check for updates of some drivers, this is an easy way, and there's a chance, a good chance actually, that you'll have the updates available if there are some updates. If you enjoy our videos, please click the subscribe button at the top of the screen or on the screen, and you'll be informed when new videos are available. It's a great way to keep in touch, especially if you have that new Windows 8 machine. If you have a feature you'd like us to talk about, then let us know. And hope that you enjoy our videos and that you'll come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.